Hey guys, welcome back. This is Rando Geek. Alright, so as promised, I have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition that I'm going to unbox for you. Alright, also I ordered an additional case. It's the Spigen so it's a Spigen case. I'll unbox that too once it comes. So the reason why I ordered it is the Hoyt's case is very nice, but one thing I noticed with it is that where the camera bump is, it's a little too open. So the Spigen case from pictures looks more enclosed, like it would offer better protection and keep it from getting scratched or damaged. So when that case comes, I'm gonna test both out, see which one I like best. You know, I may be sending one of them back, or I may just hold on to both just to have extra. So, but either way, I'll be doing a review of the Spigen case when it arrives, because it is a nice looking case and it was highly rated on Amazon. So was the Hoyt's. Like I did the unboxing and it's a great case. The quality is good. I just want more camera protection. So that's just my personal preference. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this. I did cut it open just to remove the privacy information and whatnot. But here we go. Bring this in a little closer. Alright. So we have some nice protection here that was shipped. Alright. In the box, we have the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. Alright. And in this baggie here is my SIM. Just make sure. I believe it's my SIM. Yeah. Metro. Hold on. There we go. Metro PCS. Be sure to check Metro's website. You can get this phone from Metro. Activate it with any plan. I activated it with the $40 plan. So. Alright, let's get rid of this box here. There we go. Alright. Trying to see which way is best for you guys to view this. Looks like it might be accurate. Okay. Slicey. Here we go. I also recommend this for opening packages. It's awesome. Alright, so in the box, get the phone, you get your manual instructions, right? You get your USB-C to USB-C, and of course no wall charger, but nobody really offers that anymore. Very few phones offer that. The stylus, 5G stylus from Moto 2022 actually did have a wall charger, They're one of the last companies to do that, and it's not for all their phones. Their Edge phones, which are their more premium phones, actually don't offer that anymore. So everyone's doing away with that, unfortunately. Comes with a little plastic on it. There's your ports, USB-C, speaker, Bluetooth, guess another Bluetooth, power button, volume rocker up down, other side, right here is your SIM. I'm going to take the plastic off, camera. Alright, so let's go ahead and peel the sticky off. Nice. There it is. Premium feeling. Just holding this for just a couple of seconds feels nice. Now it is a plastic bag, but I do not care because there's going to be a case on it anyway. So glass backs to phones don't do anything for me, to be honest. They're constantly getting smudged. You're always wiping them down, and you become obsessed with it. I've had 2 phones, I believe, that had a glass back, and all you do is wipe it, or you throw a case on it, one of the two. So either way, what's the purpose? Plastic back is just fine, as long as it's strong and durable and not easily scratched. If it's made of a good plastic material, that's all that matters. Your triple camera, LED. Very nice. Alright, let's go ahead and power this on. If there's any battery. Yes, there is. Okay. So I'm not going to do a full setup because I have to enter in my information. Just wanted to give you an unboxing, show you what it looks like when it's powered on, show you the device, what comes in the box, and give you my first impressions just out the box. Looks good. Classic Samsung style. Can't wait to get the SIM in it, get it set up, and then once all that's complete, I'll give you a review of the phone. After a couple of hours or a day or so using it, I'll come back, we'll do another video, a review of what I think about it. I'll do a couple speed test videos, and also don't forget I got the Spigen case test coming up soon too, case unboxing for that as well. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this one. Not sure if you guys are seeing this right, so I apologize if I'm flipping it around a little. I'm still trying to figure out if the camera's facing the right way or not. Looks like it's accurate for you now. Might have been upside down before, but that's what it looks like. So, alright guys, so I'm going to wrap this up. Thank you for joining in. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of an unboxing here. Looks good. Looks good. I like it. Can't wait to test it. Be sure to hit that like button on your way out. Please consider subscribing. This way you can get all of the notifications for any videos I do, podcasts, more unboxing, DIY, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.
Goodbye.